This is the third in a series of videos explaining how to install three-phase inverter with Synergy technology up to 120 kilowatts. In this video, we'll walk you through our unique installation validation called pre-commissioning. Pre-commissioning is the easy and straightforward verification of the SolarEdge PV system installation, infrastructure, configuration and other critical components of the system before it is connected to the grid. To perform the pre-commissioning flow, you'll need a fully charged power bank with USB Type-C and 60 watts power delivery, outputting 3 amps at 20 volts, and SetApp mobile application installed on your smartphone. First, locate the dedicated USB port at the bottom of the Synergy Manager, open the port's cover and connect the power bank. Upon successful connection, you'll see 3 Synergy Manager LEDs light up for 1 minute and then alternate between green and blue color LEDs. If the LEDs do not light up or don't display the expected colors, this means that there's an issue with the power bank. In this case, make sure to use another power bank that meets the pre-commissioning process requirements. Once the power bank is successfully connected, it's time to launch the SetApp mobile application. Sign in using your SolarEdge account credentials. Tap Start and wait for the app to verify and download the latest firmware version on your smartphone, if necessary. Next, scan the Synergy Manager's QR code, located on the certification label. Move the on/off P switch to the P position and release it within 2 seconds. Tap Continue. Then approve the Wi-Fi connection and wait for the inverter to establish it with your smartphone. Once Wi-Fi is connected, tap Continue to begin the pre-commissioning process. Simply follow the instructions on the screen, as SetApp automatically takes you through all the relevant steps. Read the information on the pre-commissioning screen and tap Continue. Next, set the country and grid value. Select the relevant value from the drop-down list and tap Set and Continue. Then tap Yes. The app automatically takes you to the pairing screen. Before initiating the pairing process, make sure that the solar modules are currently exposed to sunlight. Pay attention to the warning stating that DC voltage will increase following pairing. If your Synergy Manager is equipped with the mechanical disconnect switch, turn it to the on position before initiating the pairing process. Tap Start Pairing. Pairing will take around 3 minutes. When pairing complete is displayed, read the message on the screen and tap OK, got it. Do not disconnect the power bank just yet. If the pairing is successful and an inverter is energized from the sun, you'll see the high DC voltage screen. It's now time to disconnect the power bank. Close the USB port cover on the Synergy Manager and tap OK, got it. Follow the next steps found on the pre-commissioning screen, and pay careful attention to the important note displayed. Tap OK, got it. At this stage, the firmware file from your smartphone is uploaded and installed on the inverter. The inverter now automatically enters the activation process. When activation is completed, a confirmation screen is displayed. Tap Start Commissioning. You've now accessed the main commissioning menu. From here you can set monitoring communication, site communication, and perform different configurations as is done during the regular commissioning process. Once you've configured all settings, navigate to the status screen and verify the system readiness. Check that the number of power optimizers in the screen matches the number of power optimizers installed and connected to the inverter. Make sure SOK is displayed in the server communication box. Ensure that all additional system components that you've just set are showing the expected values. If any fault is detected, leverage the pre-commissioning feature and troubleshoot it before the system is connected to the grid. Once you've completed the process, remember to shut down the system to reduce DC voltage to touch safe levels. Either move the on/off P switch to off position, or turn the mechanical disconnect switch to off position. Verify that no LEDs are on. When an inverter is successfully configured in pre-commissioning mode, there is no need to come back to it once the AC power will be connected. The inverter will automatically perform the grid monitoring and start producing power. Deploy SolarEdge PV systems with 3-phase inverter with Synergy technology up to 120 kilowatts fast and efficient with the pre-commissioning process.